Now friends, we will create a collection in the repository which we have created on DSpace. Now in this video, next to the community, so it's collection, creating a collection. Then I have already logged into this one. So I will go to my commerce and management community, then commerce, and under the commerce there is a undergraduate. So in the undergraduate, I'm going to a sub-community, that is BBA. I have created undergraduate GC, this BBA, BBA computer application, BCom, all these are these three sub-communities I have created. So what I will do now, I will go to one sub-community, BBA. Then I am developing a collection in a BBA. In BBA, my data is for semester 4. So I will upload my collection, my data, any data to this. So I say create collection. So I am there to describe the collection. Then next, in the describing the collection, I will give the name of that collection or title of that document. So I'll go, I have one document here. It is a dummy document. So it is a subject is international business. So it is a international business, subject is there. So I will create collection for the subject, that is international business. For the subject, I have created collection for subject international business. So I can give a short description of it if I want any introductory text regarding this subject, I will put here. I will give some description about this collection. So which type of collection, on which subject this collection I have made. So I will go down little bit. So this here. Now in the short description you can write about that subject, or for which semester it is it or for which topics included, or any introductory text, any copyright text about that document, about that subject. Okay, so anything means now next you can give you can choose a logo also for the subject if you are having the logo of that document, or any screenshot. Next I will do, so I will update it. Now next you can see here it given is created. Now I will say update. Okay, so my collection created international business. Now what I have to do, I have to submit to this collection, means that document I have to submit this collection. So you can see this submission button came, and here are some option, that is author. Okay, now description started with author, title, other titles, date of the issue and all. For example, when I have uploaded, that is date. So go to author. Who is the author? For example, I have one dummy author, the name. Okay, so I'll copy that author name. I'm just copying pasting, I'm not typing. So I have taken that author name with surname. We know this document description. So I pasted the surname first. Then I will go to name again. Then I will paste the name here. Then I have pasted the name. So I'll copy name, and I have pasted here. So I'll go to title of the document. Any title, means it should not be this specific one. So you can take any title. Okay, so I have this document given. This is a question bank something. So I got this question bank in this in the subject of international business. So I'll select this document and I will paste it. So I have selected that document title, any title that document having, if any article or anything. So I gave this. So I will put a date when I am uploading this document. Okay, so there is no there may be any title, so you cannot be think about the title. So give proper title, copy paste or type it. Give date when you are uploading. So for example, I am giving 27/2020. You can give month also. Here at the left hand side you can see the month also. So just I give the date. So publisher, I am putting who have published that document. You can put that. I am not putting. Please put any publisher of that document. Okay, I'm not putting, but we can put it. Okay, so I'll put a citation for that. Okay, a reference we can put. Then subject report or series report, we can say. So what is a series report? A paper number. Then we can give identifier, that is ISSN. Okay, the URI and all. So anyone you can select from here and give. You can add more also in that one. Okay, for example, identify, you have to add more identifier. Then I'll go to types. Which type of document is that? Is it animation, article, book chapter, okay, or data set, or you can say image, music, presentation, recording, any technical report, video, working paper, or you can say any other one. So you can select any type of document from that. So you have to write a type because it will be, so I'll say author, for example. I'll say author and I'll go next. Okay, so here is a subject keyword. You have to give a subject keyword to this one. So I'll paste it as it is. So you can give number of keywords. You can add keywords also. I'm giving international business. I say question bank for the subject and international business. I'll just in the question bank. So it will be, you can search question bank for any search. So you'll get a question bank here. So I'll go next. That is question bank. I give keyword. Please remember. So go down. Here is, I'll say next. Okay. So you can give the keywords, any keyword. So now you are here for uploading file. So I'll say select the file and drag. So I'll select any file from my desktop wherever I have saved it. So I will search by author or any document. From here I have to take it. So I'll select this one, this author's document. So I got it. So I will select that one. So from that author. So I am selecting. So I selecting this document. I'll say open. And now the document will be placed. So I'll again give description, that is international business. I will say okay. So I'm giving this one. So I'll say next. So something information you can give here by your subjects and also say next. So now you can see here files uploaded successfully. What it is saying, you can change, remove document from here. Okay, now you can see here. You can do change also here if you want to change any description. Then you can change file format also. I'll say next. Now here is, you see the submission verification. See you have to check it here whether this author, title, description is correct, subject is correct, keyword is correct, file format is correct. Then say next. Then you will say the distribution license. So I'll say I grant the license. It will take little bit of time to upload. See, it is taking time. But it is very easy to upload any document to a repository. Although it's a time. So our document submission completed. Now we got this option. So you can go to the collection. Once submission completed, you can go to that document, go to that repository, or you can go to that collection directly and you can search your document there. Okay, now our document has been successfully submitted. So you can go by home. Okay, you can go by home, browse by communities. Okay, you can go by home, browse by communities and directly go to that document. So this is this procedure to upload any document or creating collection. Okay, thank you.